So this is your document for must-do work to have done by Friday, February 19th, 2021. So that is this upcoming Friday. It's our last school day before break. Our February break is from Monday, February 22nd to Tuesday, March 2nd. So you get those 2 extra days. But the goal is to use this week to make sure that you get the following things done. So here's your list right here. I have a column right here where if you have your own copy of this document or you have the ability and you want to print it off, you can do that. And you can signify somehow that you've gotten something done with a smiley face, a check, a dash, whatever you got to do, if that's something that will be helpful for you. All of these things are posted and you will turn them in on Google Classroom. The first thing is 5 themes of geography guided notes. The majority of you are done that. Mapping skills guided notes from week 2. Landforms and topography guided notes, which will show up in your Our World topics tomorrow, Monday, February 15th. Your hexagonal thinking document and assessment, which will show up in your Our World topics this week, week 3. Identity Journal Part A, which is due Wednesday, February 17th. And then your learning log for weeks 2 and 3, and your first preparedness assessment. And there are videos that explain each of these things posted in the right sessions. We will go over this if you're in the gold cohort and you're using this and looking at this before we have time to meet on Thursday. Email me with any questions that you have and I can try and help you out. I'll also have my regular Get Stuff Done Club time on Wednesday.